how to create custom Reels cover photo. First, you need to launch your application, then you need to get right here into your profile selection on your account, then tap on your right upper side on the first selection with the plus icon and go for the side selection, which is Reel. Go for the first side, and from here you can take over and start the Reel session, or simply check that video session for it. After you get done with all that stuff, what is the main point? After that, you go preview, and simply as you're done with all that stuff, editing sides, you go next again, and when you process to the main point, here you can add a caption side section, which you can say hello, for example. It doesn't matter what's going on your site, it just needs to take to the main point. After you get done with all that stuff, you can go edit cover, and you can take from your gallery by tapping right down. Yeah, I'm gonna get it from here, and I will go with this one. Just go down when you're ready on your right upper side, and after you get with that selection done, you simply now you can share your side selection on your Reel site.